Welcome back, Algebra 1 students. This is Mr. Salas with another video talking about the Unit 5 study guide. We're going to be looking at problem number 5. It says, a copier machine has 4 different functions for printing. Which has the greatest growth factor? Ooh, this one's going to be tricky. Hopefully you remember that if, let me see if I have enough space to write these sentences. If the growth factor is greater than 1, if the growth factor is greater than 1, what is happening? It is increasing. So remember, if the growth factor is greater than 1, then it is increasing. But what if the growth factor, sorry for my sloppy writing, I'm a little bit short on time, the bell's about to ring, so I'm rushing. So if the growth factor is greater, whoops, not greater, less than 1, if the growth factor is less than 1, it is what? Decreasing. Whoops, I have one job. It is decreasing. There we go. All right, so if the growth factor is greater than 1, it is increasing. If the growth factor is less than 1, it is decreasing. So first of all, I want to know which one is the greatest or the biggest growth factor out of these 4 options. So let's see. So first of all, I need to see the ones that are increasing, because if it's decreasing, that means it's going to be a low growth factor. So is 3 over 4 less than 1? 3 over 4 is less than 1. So that means this one's going to be decreasing. So I'm going to put a D for decreasing, okay? So this one cannot be it. Next up, 1/8, because these values right here, those are my growth factors, right? This 1/8, is that one bigger than 1? No, well, 1/8 is still smaller than 1, so this one is also decreasing. What about 3 over 2? 3 over 2, that's an improper fraction. What do we know about improper fractions? Ooh, let's see. I see I threw a few of you off. Well, in case you don't remember, an improper fraction is a fraction that is greater than 1 and the numerator is bigger than the denominator. In this case, 3 is bigger than 2, so that means we actually have a growth factor of 1.5 for this second one. I mean for this third one. So this one is actually increasing because it's bigger than 1. And then, so the growth factor for this one would be 1.5, right? It says 1.5. So I'm just going to go ahead and put growth factor. That way we know what we're talking about. Growth factor. And then for letter D, we see a 5. So the growth factor for D is 5. So which one is bigger, 1.5 or 5? I'm waiting. I know it's not 1.5. It's actually 5. So so D is increasing. So our answer is D, because D has a bigger growth factor or a greater growth factor of 5. Okay, that is it for number 5. See you in the next one.